What's up, guys? John here with Linkswell, and I'm here to give you the top 5 reasons why you should be bringing in the new IQ2 radio into your shops for your customers. Number 1, a complete solution in the box. This means one box, all the parts you need. You don't have to worry about stocking third-party interfaces, third-party kits, or third-party harnesses. We're going to give you everything you need. You're going to pull the box off your shelf. You're going to open that box, and it's going to go into that vehicle. It's going to look factory. It's going to do all the stuff you want. You're not going to have to worry about anything extra. So when we say everything's in the box, we mean it. Everything's in the box. Number 2, audio performance. When we talk audio performance, that is what aftermarket radios are made for. We install aftermarket radios not because we want it to look like it belongs in the car, because we want all of the upgraded audio processing. We want to have RCA pre-outs. Guess what? We've got more than 6, front, rear, sub, and center channel. Maybe you're a DSP guy and you want to have that toss link, or maybe a coax. We've got that as well. 48 band EQ, high and low crossovers for all outputs. I'm telling you, when we talk about audio upgrade, we're going to upgrade your audio big time when we say we're better. Number 3, not just a screen replacement. And now we know there are other large screen Android radios on the market, but they're missing something when it comes to the aftermarket. They're missing all of the extra things you want because they're just a screen replacement. For us, the IQ2 is 100% replacement, which means we're going to give you a better, even just built-in amplifier. We're going to give you a better tuner, a better Bluetooth. We're going to give you better CarPlay, and we're going to give you all of the things you want to be able to expand your sound system, to be able to expand your experience inside the vehicle. So we're not just going to give a big screen that's going to tie you to factory features. We're going to give you a big screen, retaining any kind of factory features while opening up the floodgates of all of the stuff you want when you put in an aftermarket radio. And number 4, it's anti-Amazon. Now, you'd have to live under a rock if you didn't understand or realize just how many Android-style radios are out there on Amazon. So when your customers come in and say, what makes Linkswell different? Well, a lot. You can buy a computer, and then you can buy a gaming computer, right? You can buy a car, it's got a V6. You can buy a car with the V8. Just because it looks the same on the outside doesn't mean it is on the inside. And that is what makes us different from all of those Amazon radios. So when you have a customer come into your store wanting something like on Amazon, well, we're going to give you the big screen. We're going to give you all the Android features. We're going to give you all the stuff that the Android customer's wanting, while giving the quality that you as a professional require when it comes to selling products. So we are anti-Amazon. We are the answer to Amazon. We're to answer every time those customers come to you looking for the big screen that they saw on Amazon. You can tell them, well, let me get you a big screen that's actually worth it. And that is what we got going on with our IQ2. And number 5, price point. And we got to be real. When it all comes down to it, we can have the greatest thing in the world, but if it doesn't make sense to the pocketbook, no one's going to buy it. And the IQ2, we're talking a retail price of under $800 is going to get you an 11.5-inch screen. It's going to get you the plug-and-play harness. It's going to get you the install kit. It's going to get you everything you need at a retail price of under $800. I don't know that you're going to find a screen that can get close to this price point. So when your customers come in looking for all the good features, while wanting to make sure they keep that budget, I'm telling you, the IQ2, we hit that price point. Well, guys, I'll be honest. It was hard to just pick 5 because I could go here on and on and on about why you should have the IQ2 radio in your stores for your customers. But best all around setup for you to get. No third-party parts, all the things you need, everything in one house, and a whole lot of features, a whole lot of quality features. So if you want some more information, make sure you check out our website, www.linkswellinc.com. If you are a dealer of ours, hit your rep. These things should be shipping here within the next 30 to 60 days. And get these things in the store, because I really think with the market where it is, with people's features where they want, how Amazon is already getting people excited, this is going to get you guys a lot of extra customers. So make sure you check out our IQ2 coming soon to a store, hopefully yours.